smells better than a rich man's house. Surely you will thank me after you start using this mixture in your home. To start, I will use 3 bottles, and with the help of scissors, I will cut the bottom of the bottles, which we will use to put our tip today. Let's use the bottom of the bottles as a container. Now I will add an amount of coarse salt, the salt that will contain the smell and keep the active ingredients longer. I will make several to use in various areas of your home. The first will use fabric softener clothes. You can use the one you prefer. This is ideal to use in your room, always keeping the smell of clean clothes. I will mix well, not to be concentrated only on the surface. If necessary, add a small amount of coarse salt and mix. As a last ingredient, we will add cloves. Just leave a few cloves separate in a corner of your home. You can already change the smell of the environment. In this mixture, it will show very promising. You will thank me. So we finished the first. We will make another 2 with different smells. There is no secret we will repeat the first ingredients. The difference now is the use of 2 tablespoons of alcohol being the main item. When exhaling the smell in the environment, you can even replace the fabric softener with disinfectant or even some flavoring, already leaving that smell that is used to cleaning the house. In my house, I leave at least one of these at home. Comfortable always keeps the smell of clean house, and not even smell of dog urine or cat is no longer in the environment. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Sheila Hayes from Virginia. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. My visits always ask me what is the secret for always having the smell of clean house. Really the smell of a rich house at all times. Always with the house clean and smelling good. When I use with fabric softener, I also leave it inside the wardrobe. My clothes always smell like they just washed. When I prepare with disinfectant, I leave distributed in other rooms of my house, especially in the living room to welcome visitors in. In the bathroom, not even after use gets a bad smell. This product shows very promising. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching this video so far. Tell me later about the result you got when making this tip in your home. See you in the next video. Bye.